Hello YouTubers, welcome back again. Today we are going to check update query. So update query is used for updating your existing record in database. So we have couple of records here. I want to change this name with Smith, right? So let's just write our update query. Update your table name. In my case it's user info and then set and column name. I want to change name. So name equal to your new value. In my case it's Smith. And if you want to change multiple columns, so you can you can use that, but you have to follow the columns after each column name. Then contact equal to your new value. In my case I'm just putting here some random numbers. Then you have to also specify your condition, and condition starts with where keyword. If you're not specifying your condition, in that case it will update your all the records. So whenever you are working with your update query or delete query, make sure you are specifying condition, and the best practice is you have to specify id in your where condition, because it will impact your specified data. Not all the records are multiple records, because if you're specifying some values which is containing in multiple records, then it will impact your uh, s- all the records which is matching to your condition. So let's just write condition id equal to 4. Done. And then you have to commit your query, because you are changing your data, right? Whenever you are changing your data, then you have to commit your query dot commit, and now it's done. Now you can just print how much records got impacted. So just write cursor dot row count, comma, and you can also write here rows updated. Now let's just execute our script. Now we can see one rows updated. To check that, we have to run select query cursor dot execute select all from user underscore info, and then you can print for x in cursor dot fetch all print x. Now let's just check our fourth number data, which is fourth number id data is got changed or not. So let's just execute our script again to check our data. Now we can see id number 4 is containing Smith name and also new contact number. So that's it from this video, and please do not forget like the video, and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much guys, and please keep supporting.